Actually, I don't see myself as a DJ. I started playing in rock band for many years ago. So for me, DJ is definitely a second thing, more like a kind of a hobby. So my main thing is definitely playing with a band, and it's something that I have done for the last 15 years. So it's not something new for me. When I'm rarely playing as a DJ, it's much more only playing other music stuff. Of course, I also play some edits and bootlegs, but playing with my band, it's my own music that I compose myself, and we are playing that together. So it's a quite natural thing for me to play with a band, because they're also real instruments on the album. Of course, I don't see myself as a pure electronic artist, even if I maybe started up doing more kind of club-oriented stuff. Then I also did a lot of other music. So I'm really fighting to get rid of this DJ kind of box. Depeche Mode asked us to support 6 of their shows in the UK and Germany and Switzerland, and of course we were pretty honored. It was a big thing for us, because for me Depeche Mode was also one of my favorite bands when I grew up. I was a big fan back then, so it was a really honor to be able to actually warm up for such a great band, and also remix them once. So I think that was maybe why the connection was made in the first place. As an artist, you also have the kind of power to say if something is wrong in the world, and that was just what I was trying to do on Facebook and other places. I really felt that it was totally wrong, even if it was a very provocative thing to do. Their art happening to put them in jail for 2 years. That's crazy, I think. So of course I also wanted to show my support as an artist also. For me, it is not something only about Russia. It is in a country where free speech and the possibility not to being able to play your music. If your music has some political statements that are not in sync with the system, it still should be possible to make your art without being sent to a working camp for 2 years, I think. Actually, we were playing in Russia for 3 weeks ago. That was the first time with the band. It was fun. It was fun. Yeah, we had a good concert, and there were no one throwing things at me. It is not for the club, but there are some club elements. But then again, I think it's really, for me, it's a bit boring to also always talk about what style it is. I just want to make good quality music and make the music that I hear, and feel is right, and then hopefully someone would like it. I don't know. I'm mainly doing the music for my own pleasure, I think.